morning, we are born again. And what do you do today is what it matters the most. I believe in the ideology of a person who always believe that people should care for good. Your goodness doesn't relate with good wealth. It relate with your relationships. It relate with the happiness in your life. I believe in that ideology. Gautam Buddha. I believe in the ideology of Buddhism. Today I have come up with an ideal figure of Buddha, which makes me feel very relaxed. Every time when I am making Buddha, it is like something very inspiring for me, very relaxing for me. It is my work at that time is a meditation for me. People do meditate for 10-15 minutes. I work like meditation for me. So here, Garima Mangal back again with some very classic class Tanjore paintings of Gautam Buddha. Hope you will enjoy it, and please do comment about what you feel about the ideology, because this time I have created a figure which you can feel the peace in that figure, the meditation level, the groundedness in that figure. So when you come up with these type of paintings, at that time you realize whenever you are looking to these paintings, you feel relaxed. Wealth is not what gives you relaxation. It is the peace of mind which provides you to have a healthy thinking, healthy life. And in this pandemic, you need that. Everyone is fighting everyday struggles, just fighting and fighting with everyday struggles. For that, I have got this creativity. While making this painting, I could see the happiness in my life, the happiness I was feeling while designing this painting. So I'm sharing my work, my class Tanjore work with you all. I'm sharing that peace. I'm sharing that happiness which I really enjoyed while doing this painting. So come on, let us join my happiest journey of class Tanjore painting of Gautam Buddha. So let's start. So here was my first part of my Gautam Buddha's painting. It has a very peaceful image without having any expressions of the face, a blank figure, which is basically created for the meditative purpose. So we will be continuing that second part will be releasing soon within a day or two so that you can complete or start with that painting work also. This painting you can use it at your interiors, at the entrance, because it would be having a phrase written on it. Whatever phrase you want, you can you can just write that also. So we'll be continuing that second part. In that I'll be doing some Tanjore part also in this work to make it little luxurious also. So stay tuned with me with the second part also. And thank you. Hope you like the first part and stay connected with me. Thank you. And don't forget to like, subscribe my channel also.